Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to compare two popular air fryers, the Chefman TurboFry Touch and the Instant Vortex Plus. We'll dive into the features and benefits of each, so you can make an informed decision on which one is right for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let's get started. When it comes to family-sized frying, both the Chefman TurboFry Touch and the Instant Vortex Plus have got you covered. With their spacious cooking baskets, you can create delicious weeknight meals for the whole family in one convenient appliance. Whether you're cooking crispy fries, fried chicken, or even reheating leftovers, both air fryers deliver satisfying results. Keeping an eye on your food while it cooks is important, and both air fryers make it easy. The Chefman TurboFry Touch features an extra-large viewing window and a bright interior light, allowing you to monitor your meal without opening the fryer. Similarly, the Instant Vortex Plus comes with a clear cook window and an internal light, taking the guesswork out of cooking progress. For quick and convenient cooking, both the Chefman TurboFry Touch and the Instant Vortex Plus offer one-touch cooking presets. With just the push of a button, you can perfectly cook golden brown French fries, crispy fried chicken, tender meat, and delicate fish. Plus, the lead shake reminder ensures even results every time. If you're looking to enjoy crispy, fried results with little to no oil, both air fryers are up to the task. The Chefman TurboFry Touch and the Instant Vortex Plus utilize rapid air technology to achieve perfectly crunchy fried results on every ingredient, making your meals healthier. Additionally, the adjustable temperature control in both fryers ensures that your dishes are cooked to perfection. While the Chefman TurboFry Touch and the Instant Vortex Plus have many similarities, they also have their unique features. The Instant Vortex Plus offers 6-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. On the other hand, the Chefman TurboFry Touch comes with advanced safety technology and a 1-year assurance, providing peace of mind with your purchase. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Chefman TurboFry Touch and the Instant Vortex Plus air fryers. Whether you prioritize family-sized frying, easy viewing, cooking presets, healthy eating, or additional features, both air fryers have something to offer. We hope this video helped you make a decision. If you enjoyed this comparison, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Thanks for watching and see you next time.